This is my Kurt gooseneck ball. This works with my Chevrolet truck, works with GMC, I'm sure also, and maybe even other brands. But basically I have the puck system in my truck. The puck mounting system comes from the factory, but you don't get this set with that. You have to buy that as an extra. And I got this one from Kurt, and it's been great. I've used it. This is the third truck that I've used it on now, and it has worked on every single model that has the puck system for Chevrolet. So hopefully they don't change it and I get to keep this set for a really long time. But yeah, as you can see, it's definitely been used. They hold up great. And then of course, if you're not using this, I have also the Kurt rail system that slides down into the puck and holds a fifth wheel hitch on the rails. Of course, that's not part of this kit, but they all use that same puck system that's in the bed of your truck if you ordered your truck with the puck system. All right, so this is what you get. I really hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.